Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve 27 divided by 9 divided by 3 divided by 2. It's look confusing because there are the same operation, that is division, that repeats. First 27 with 9, then 9 with 3. So it takes multiple steps. But no, if you know the trick and you know, then you can solve it in seconds. How? First take two digits at a time. So 7 divided by 9, then divided by 3, divided by 2. So step by step, 27 divided by 9 is 3, then 3 divided by 3, then divided by 2. 3 divided by 3, again we are taking two terms, now divided by 2. So it's 1 divided by 2, that is 1 by 2 half, or you can write it as 0.5. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you.